Hey, y'all slaves for real. Hey, y'all was slaves for real. That's all y'all was. Yeah, buddy, your parents left you, nigga. Fucking little Timmy ass bitch! Scared the shit. Okay, you shut the fuck up. Stop clapping your cheeks when you run, Timmy. Ah! I'm counting to 6.
Stop? Okay.
Y'all ever taken like a fat shit and you take like 5 pounds lighter? That's how I feel right now. That's how I really feel right now. New game. The story is about a small village. At a first glance, it took no difference from other village, but something happened and it changed the lives of everyone involved in the story. Take a learn of this and you'll see the mysteries shrouded in strange fog. Also, this story is about a man who happened to be in the village by accident and will have an influence of the outcome of the mystical event. See, I could read. I read it fast enough. Da 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 da. This game is about to be terrifying, isn't it? We're fucked. Help us! You don't belong here. What do you mean I don't belong here? Wait. How does head hurt? My phone is not working. There's no signal. I think I drove to the village. It's getting late. I'm going to take a look around. I need to find where to call. Okay. Oh, look at here! My fucking phone died. Can I check out my car, nigga, and see what's wrong with it? Fuck. Bitch ass nigga. Yeah! Okay, this is a school bus. I used to go on one of them bitches. No, shut the fuck up. Okay. Look at here. Okay. Oh, look! I don't know what that is. I think that's German. Okay. Anybody here? Yeah. Please help me. Yeah. Can you let me in? Didn't this nigga say he needed help? We have to protect our children. It wasn't their fault. It was an accident. No, we're not going to touch this witch's body. We're going to pretend we don't know anything. It will be better for all of us. If he finds her, he'll think it was an accident. There's nothing he can do. Bitch. This also like Sailor Witch trial and shit? Okay, cool. Okay. Oh, Doritos! Legs! Legs? What the fuck? Doritos. Between my creams, come cream in me. Stop? Okay. Legs. Wow. Take it. Take it all in. Stop? Okay. Am I sussy? No, stop. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Okay. I guess it's just the only way to go is this way. What's this? Nothing? The phone's ringing! Okay. We can call somebody to come get us. Okay, bet. Hello? Does not work. It was fucking ringing, nigga. Okay. The phone was literally ringing. I don't like this. Hey, can you help me? That nigga is dead, motherfucker. That nigga's dead. I was sitting in a boat on the lake when I saw the fog. I had to send it into the water. I tried to swim into the shore, but I couldn't see anything. Finally, when I touched the shore, I rather ran home. In the house, I saw that my wife was frozen like a statue. That's tough, nigga. Basically, you want some, like, Mr. Freeze type shit. Is that what his name is? Mr. Freeze? From, like, Batman and shit? His wife is frozen. He has no wife. You know what I'm saying? I saw that my dear children were emotionless. I ran out of the house to frighten. I had at least someone who can help me. There seems like a common thing where, like, hey! 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 But the... Please help us. No, fuck you niggas. Go fuck yourself. Oh, let me go. What the fuck was that, nigga? Okay. Ooh, spooky, spooky? Stop, okay. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? Let me in, mother... Ah! Y'all seen this shit? Y'all seen this shit? Stop! Oh, that's an ugly ass teddy bear, nigga. That teddy bear's ugly as shit. I warned him, those dirty little kids should have bullied him and his doll. I told their parents, but what's the use if they're saying themselves? They also call me crazy. Hey! Oh my gosh. What the fuck is that? Skeletars? What? Them niggas was getting murdered. Yeah, them niggas was getting murdered. You gonna help me? You gonna help me in the bit? Okay. What I look like? I'm a bad bitch. Hi y'all. Hi y'all. So y'all niggas is like slaves and shit. That's tough. Hey, what's good, buddy? Nah, he had to be a slave. All y'all niggas are slaves. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Stop! It's all your fault. I haven't done anything wrong to you. My friend was a dong. Oh, my only friend was a dong. But you were laughing at him, laughing at me. You even took a loved one away from me. And I've shown you what it's like. You will live in agony forever.
This will not change in any way.
Okay. Hey, y'all slaves for real. Hey, y'all was slaves for real. That's all y'all was. Y'all play the guitar? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? What? Play it again. Was you about to back me in the head with that fucking shovel, nigga? Let me stop. Yeah! Hey now, you're a rock star. Let me stop. Copyright is in this bitch. Let me stop. It's black. I can't see shit. Yeah, it's black. What?
Huh?
Hey. Hey, hey. my gosh. Is this where it gets scary? Is that Voodoo doll? I was at the old well. What I saw there, what Luca told me is true. They had to pay for it. I had to punish them. Okay. Apparently he sounds like an old fucking man. What's good, buddy? This isn't looking good. Okay. That door locked. Hey! What? Oh, okay. We got water? The fuck was that noise? I hear rats. Okay. Oh, nice. Stop! What am I doing here? I have to leave. Then why did you go in the fucking house? You stupid ass nigga. Don't look at me. The game gave me no choice. What do you mean? There are bars on the windows. I need to find a way. I don't know what the fuck I just saw, but there was something in the corner. I don't know what I saw, but there was something. Hey! Bitch! That's the little shit. You can sell that in an antique store. You'll get a lot of money. Ugly ass doll. Jump out this window, dog. You're fucked. Okay. Stop! 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 We're fucked. We're done. We're done. We're fucked. No. What do you want to just look at him for? We're fucked. What happened to your flashlight, nigga? Are we in an alternate dimension? We in an alternate dimension. What's good? It had to happen. When I saw that boy through the window, I realized he saw something he shouldn't have seen. I need to get ahead of him. What do you mean? Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Let's go, little nigga. Let's go, little nigga. Where your daddy at? Oh, you ain't got one. Nigga ain't got no dad, nigga. That was the game, bruh. Okay. Okay. This game is called I'm Counting to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess just go out here. Ah! Oh my gosh, that scared the shit out of me. Bro, what is this game? Shut the shit off, nigga. No, I don't like this. I don't know what the fuck is going on, bruh. Stop! Stop! You clap me in the cheeks when you run? I do that too. My cheeks clap when I run. I saw a ladder over here. Is this useful? Give me that. Give me that shit. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Get out this bitch. This game is not that fucking scary. Come on, buddy. Every time I say that, I die. So. Oh. Open that bed. See, like, what are you doing, bruh? Okay. Okay. Some demon worshipping shit. It's been 4 weeks since the disappearance. Luca told me that it was the children's fault. He gave me a letter from his mother, and he said that I had to find the truth. What? Motherfucker, what the fuck did you come from, nigga? Okay. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Turn that shit off. 1, I locked the doors. 2, I closed. Can I play the fucking game? 2, I close my eyes. 3, find a place for yourself. 4, don't breathe. 5, feel your heart pounding. 6, away. What do you mean? I must jump. Okay, well. Yeah, nah, I just alerted every single demon in this bitch. What's good, nigga? What the? You ugly. She's ugly, girl. You're ugly as fuck. Okay. I'm hearing noises, but oh. Oh, she's so wrinkly, Grandma. Oh shit, stop. To open a lock, use the hints. Phone. Lock, phone, key. Okay. Actually, I'm supposed to look at the phone first, bitch, so I'm going over here. Okay, never mind. Where did you come from, ugly nigga? Alright. Open up! Okay. There's gotta be like a key somewhere. What are you doing on the ground, nigga? Get up. I can only saw what I feel to my doll. Luca always listens to me. Luca is my friend. No, he's not, nigga. You're done. You're dead. What do I do? Oh, there's a pot. Ew, it's too. Okay, that's fucking disgusting. That's fucking disgusting. That's your great grandma's slop. What's that shit called? Gumbo. Oh, right here. I got a secret key. Shut the fuck up. Da da na 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 na. Okay. Faster. Okay. Something to do with the window. Yo, buddy. Oh, the ladder's gone. Okay. Hey, how you doing, little Timmy? Got a key. Okay. Anybody in here? I'm gonna whack your bitch ass. Stay the fuck back, bitch. Oh, what's this? There's no news. I went to the precinct officer. He doesn't care about it. He says she left because of me. But I don't. I know she wouldn't do that. She loves me. Something must have happened to her. She's a demon. That's what happened, nigga. Look, nigga. Come on, buddy. Like, she's a fucking demon. Fucking lore. Stop, bruh! Like, what the fuck is that noise? Okay. Oh, what's this? He found it. Okay, we can find this. Wasn't that? That. Okay, it's not that. It must be in one of the other rooms. Ah! I'm sleepy. Yo, niggas, yo, these niggas is ugly. These niggas so fucking ugly. No wonder why your parents left. Yeah, buddy, your parents left you, nigga. Any ugly ass nigga. Is it in here? Stop, bruh! Wait, where's the key at? Fucking little Timmy ass bitch! Scared the shit. Shit, demon. Fucker. You demon. You fucking demon, bitch. Alright, we out of here, bitch. We out of here, fuck nigga. We out of here. Y'all like hush puppies? I love hush puppies. Shut the fuck up, kid. I love hush puppies. They like little cornbread balls in your mouth and you chew it. They taste so gooey.
Huh?
What is this place? What the fuck am I saying right now? Buddy, you're in the witch's territory. I ain't gonna lie, that was the sound of rape. What? Okay, stop. Now you're just talking. Tikon, what the fuck is all this? What the fuck is this paragraph? Tikon, I'll understand if you're mad at me. I know deep down you wanted to have real friends and you missed a lot of communication with other people. I couldn't let anyone get close to our family. Otherwise, they would have found our secret, our dirty little secret, about what happened to me. Now, would that have been much earlier? You were kind to everyone, but they didn't deserve it. I wanted the best for you. My mother, your grandmother, taught me many things. Ooh, what did they taught me? Some positions? Stop? Okay. And she also told me not to trust people. Because they're afraid of people like me. You're a little witch. You're a little freak. You're a little freak. You're a little freak. What the fuck is little ass Gremlina? Yo, give me my money, nigga. Anybody in here? Okay, you shut the fuck up. Stop clapping your cheeks when you run, Timmy. Yo, little gremlin ass nigga. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. That nigga is ugly. That nigga is so ugly, bro. Look at that nigga. Nigga so. I'm scared. I'm gonna stab you, bitch. What did I do? What the fuck is you? Come on, turn on. No. Oh wow! Look at that! I'm looking at hips up. Okay. Don't stop it! It's not like you niggas want to tap in with this fine young lady right here. She's not young, by the way. And second, she's taller than me, my nigga. Look at her, bro. She almost hitting the fucking ceiling. I love tall, bad bitches. You know what I'm saying? There's only one of me. Huh? Calm down. Huh? Only one of me. Hey, remember. Hey. Hey, shut the fuck up. Stop cock blocking. There's only one of me. I can fix you. Let's be honest, you guys. We can fix her. Let's fix her. Oh my gosh, what you trying to grab? You trying to grab my forehead, nigga? Yo, Timmy, you was tapping in with one of them? Go tap in with her. Hey, yo, you tapping in with the baddies, up? Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, hold on, stop. Hold on. Hey yo, ugly motherfucker. I love you. Mwah. You wanna play peekaboo? Mm? Stop, okay. You said what's wrong with me? Don't know, don't care. Shut that shit off! No! So there's like one big demon like messing with all the ghosts and shit. And that's the Lord. And we gotta save him. We gonna save him. We can fix him. We can fix y'all. We can fix y'all.
Раз. Двери запираю. Два. Глаза закрываю.
Oh, you close your eyes? But wait, I'm cute though.
Место себе найди.
Where, nigga?
4. Не
Where, nigga?
5. Чувствуй, как
Why are you-
сердце стучит.
No! But they're baddies!
Жди.
Oh, it's my turn? I'm waiting. I'm waiting, you guys. When is it my turn? Hey, yo, buff. But I want to be in here. Hold on. Okay, we out. What the fuck is happening, nigga? Anybody in here? Anybody in here? Six kids bullied me. They mocked me because I was too kind. Aww. That's tough. Because I'm not like everyone else. They were involved in the murder of my mother. What? What the fuck? I was alone. I was able to punish 5 people. They wanted so much to go home with their mom and dad. To their mom and dad. I let their parents find the children under my storm set, but they couldn't believe their eyes. Their children were mutilated. Now they're going to suffer. Just like me. Yo, buddy, I ain't got nothing to do with this, nigga, so I don't know why you're turning your anger at me, but you need to tighten the fuck up. Like, genuinely. You're bugging. Take it, bud. The fuck? We need that. We need a loot. Well, picture this. That's nothing. Okay. Is it this? Oh, I see. Look at us. We're so sneaky. We're thugs. We're sneaking in. We're breaking in. We're such thugs, for real. Oh. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck running around by my house, bitch? Oh, give me the knife. Yeah, this is demon shit. Yo, buddy. Hey, bro, you ain't getting no play. Let's be honest. Nigga is ugly, bro. Nigga is so fucking ugly. Alright, let me stop. Can I get that lighter? You know. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Yo, motherfucker, you got something to do with this, my boy? Yo, talk to me. No? Okay. Dear son, don't be afraid of death. Death is a birth. You've done a lot. A new stage has arrived. Let them think they beat you and we'll destroy them. What do you mean? Was it you that did that? Thank you. Was it you that did that? No. You're not even human. Oh, it's y'all. Y'all came back to save me. When is it? When can we have fun? No, shut the fuck. Is that supposed to be a yes? Yo, shut the fuck up, man. Nigga, you're ugly. You're ugly, buddy. You're ugly. You have no soul, bitch. That's why you're so mad. Run, baby, run, run! Run, baby, run, run! She got a long ass neck. It's Doctor Strange, y'all. It's Doctor Strange, bro. Yo, bro, move, bruh. Are you fucking serious? Alright, buddy. Go ahead and break that bitch. Open wide! Open wide! I got some for you. Oh, whoa, not you. Let's talk about the old lady. I saw what he did to one of us with someone who didn't have the time to hide. It was terrible. He said that he would return us to our parents only in this form. It was true. This is how one of the people found out about everything. Came to deal with it. Oh, wow. Wow, buddy. I thought you wanted to get the fuck out. Open up, nigga. Yo, buddy. Shut the fuck up, bruh. Put you on your neck. What's this? Ooh, a pencil. No? No? Okay. He cut our tongue and sewed it up. Our mouths so we wouldn't scream. Damn. Wow. That is gruesome. He wanted to play. We wanted us to play with him. We asked to go home, said we were sorry, but he tried at that time, but when it come into Paris, we'll see us again. Yo, buddy, if you're jump scaring me, you're doing a terrible fucking job at it, my nigga. I mean, it's a little spooky. Okay. I thought there's something over here. Okay, that's... I ain't gonna lie, you got it. I ain't gonna lie, I got a little spooked by that. Y'all are devil worshippers? I take back everything I said about y'all. Y'all are fucking sick. Get away from me. Oh, brother, we're done. What is that? I need a lighter, a doll, and candles. Okay, first of all, I saw a lighter over here. Lighter. A doll. Was it this motherfucker? Where did he go? Where's the doll at? I'm guessing over here. Hey! I thought I saw something, you know what I'm saying? Where's the fucking... There you are, you ugly motherfucker! Thank you. You already read that. You wanna jump scare me again, bitch? You fucking cheap artist, cheapskate? Demons! Burn 'em. She's burning! She's burning! Ah! What? That nigga burning! No, what the fuck? I sold my soul. I sold my fucking soul! I hate you! I need gasoline. Let's burn this house down. I saw gasoline. But where? Next time. Nah, I'm playing. We gonna beat this shit. What's up, nigga? What a gas at? See, I knew I seen it. Come on, bro. What are you doing? Did we burn the house down? Guys, it's 11:11. Go make your wish. Go make your fucking wish. No? Okay. Okay. My bad, y'all. Yeah, you niggas are bugging the fuck out. Okay, we're just gonna leave. Get the fuck out of here. I hate cats, bruh. Is that a cat? You know, honestly, if I had a gun, I would shoot this shit. We're fucked. Yeah, that's the demon, bruh. Yay! Now you have a connection. Oh, now you have a connection? Fuck it, bitch. Hello, rescue service. What happened to you? My car broke down, nigga. I see a house burning. Your name is Grisha? Nigga, fucking... I recently watched a blogger. He said he did not believe in any paranormal, but the house was where, according to Evil Witness, something was happening, but he didn't find any evidence until one day he arrived at the abandoned pioneer camp. To be honest, I didn't believe him. I thought everything he felt was staged, but now, after seeing everything I've seen and experienced, I realized that the world is not as simple as you seem, and we are not alone. Entities was always nearby, and until you see it for yourself, you won't believe it. I did not know why I decided on this ritual. I wanted to run, but something inside me decided to put the end of all this, and as a result, I realized that I was in this place for a reason, but I have no idea what lies ahead for me. It can go ahead and skip now. Like, what are we waiting for? Thank you. It wasn't that bad. It was not that bad. The shit did not scare me like that. Come on. You get scared by that game? You're a fucking pussy. Skip this shit.